Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that's probably on your mind: fighting wrinkles. If you're looking for a product that promises to address deep wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Oil might just be on your radar. So is it worth the hype? Or is it another anti-aging product that doesn't deliver? Let's find out together. Now, if you're familiar with Neutrogena, you know they're big on dermatologically-tested products, and this oil serum is no exception. It contains retinol, a potent form of vitamin A that's been proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles over time. The formula is lightweight yet nourishing, claiming to not only smooth out wrinkles, but also target dark spots and dullness. And here's the catch: it's all in the power of pure retinol, which is scientifically shown to be more effective than other retinol derivatives. That's a pretty big claim, right? I've been using this product for a few weeks now to see how it really measures up. First off, the texture. It's an oil, but don't let that scare you. It absorbs quickly without leaving an oily residue. The moment it touches your skin, it feels like a little spa treatment, nourishing but never greasy. I've used it both in the morning and at night as part of my routine, and it layers well with other skincare products. But here's the part that matters. Does it actually work? Well, after a solid few weeks of testing, I've noticed subtle changes. Fine lines around my eyes have started to look softer, and my skin feels smoother overall. I wouldn't say it erased all my wrinkles overnight. Let's be real, no product can do that, but there's a definite improvement. Plus, it doesn't irritate my skin, which is key since retinol can sometimes be harsh. The pros here are pretty clear. The formula is lightweight, fast-absorbing, and suitable for daily use. I also love that it's free from parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. It's kind of like having a dermatologist-approved powerhouse in a bottle. However, I'll say that the scent might be a bit off-putting for some. It's not overpowering, but it's definitely there. Also, while this serum does a great job of improving texture, don't expect miracles with hyperpigmentation or very deep wrinkles in the first few weeks. These things take time. Let's talk price. At $25 for 1 Flawed Ounce, this product is on the more affordable side of retinol treatments. When you compare it to higher-end retinol serums, this one offers decent value. It's clinically proven, dermatologist-tested, and doesn't have the usual fillers or irritating ingredients. So in terms of value for money, I'd say it's a solid buy, especially if you're just starting with retinol or want something that works without breaking the bank. When it comes to packaging, Neutrogena sticks with a simple, no-nonsense design. The oil comes in a glass dropper bottle that gives you just the right amount of product each time. There's no waste, and it feels high-end without being too flashy. If I had to nitpick, I'd say a pump would make things easier, especially when you're trying to avoid spills. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely options. Products like The Ordinary's Retinol 1% Serum or Olay's Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer offer similar benefits at a similar price range. But Neutrogena's face oil has a slight edge with its lightweight texture and the use of pure retinol. So what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a daily retinol serum that won't break the bank and actually makes a noticeable difference in fine lines and skin texture, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Oil is a solid choice. It's easy to incorporate into your skincare routine, it's gentle enough for daily use, and it works to smooth and renew your skin. If you're interested in picking this up, I've linked it in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried this product or have any favorite anti-aging products you swear by. Before I wrap this up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.